Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for joining Bowtime with Kerry. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to prep and paint a KVH SAB TV dome. So thank you and stay tuned. Let's get started. Alright guys, before we get started prepping the TV dome, I had this gun for a while and I wanted to do a review about it to tell you guys how well this gun performs. The gun I'm using today is a GTI Pro Lite Summer. Okay, alright, this right here controls my fan. This tells you if you want your fan to be wide or narrow. This controls my liquid. This controls the amount of liquid that comes through. I got myself a filter that will protect you from any oil that comes from your compressor. I got myself an air gauge to control my gun. Your air gauge is automatically comes with your gun, but I purchased an adapter for it. My tip is a 1.3 tip. That will include the same as my needle. So I remove my cap to show you guys how the needle looks on it. It looks good. As I said, I used this gun before and it shoots very well. I reassemble back my gun. Install your needle first, then your spring, then apply your cap. Sometimes it might be kind of tight or kind of hard to put your cap back on, but it will goes on. And then screw back together and you're ready to shoot. Before you start doing any type of prepping on your SAB TV dome, you remove the cover. Remove the cover. You got 4 screws that attach the cover to it. So you get yourself a screwdriver and you remove the cover. After you remove the cover, do not do any type of prepping. It's so crucial you do no form of prepping because it's so sensitive. If you do any prepping and stuff like that, you will get dust inside of it and you will mess up all the system inside of it and you'll be paying back some money. So what I do, I make sure I bagged it off first to get it airtight so no dust goes inside of it. So I bagged it. After you got all bagged and secure properly, I'm gonna go ahead and sand it with some 320. 320 is it's not that harsh, but it is good enough for that material because it's also metal and it's not fiberglass. So I get myself a 320 piece of sandpaper and I go ahead and prep it. You don't have to prep it so you burn through. You just cuffing it basically just to get that dull look so you can apply your paint to it. After I was done prepping, I got myself some Dawn soap with a rag and de-wax it with. The Dawn soap works very well. I have no issue with it so far. Majority of the time on the radar, satellite and dome, they are snow white. Because I am a mobile worker, I like to figure out what is going on out there and see the best way I can accomplish my job properly. as I said before, it will be Snow White. So before we do any type of painting, let's mix it. I am using 2 ounces of Snow White, 1 ounces of reducer, and 1 ounces of activator. But before we start spraying, let's tack it first to get up all that loose and excessive dust that's sitting on it. After I was done tacking, I start to apply my paint to my radar based. Man, guys, I have to say, this gun lays out the paint very well. I used this gun before, and I have to say, guys, this gun is shoot paint so well. You can see that it's for a cheap gun. This gun works well. I like this gun a lot, and I say, you guys should try it for yourself and tell me what you think about this gun. Because as you can see, that's the first coat, and it looks beautiful. I like it. You know when you have some guns and you turn out your fan and the fan is still narrow, you're like, man, didn't I just turn the fan out? But this gun here, when you turn the fan out, it's just a wide fan. Imagine you're spraying a big stuff, you're like, yes, you're going to get the right amount of coverage on this with this gun here. So you should try it, guys, and let me know what you think. Alright guys, this is my finishing look. Thank you for watching Bow Time with Kerry. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate everything that you guys have done for me and have been supporting me. Thank you guys and have a great day. Bye.